Hello, welcome back to Fun Story Factory. The next book I'm going to be reading is called Tutti, and it's a yoga self-acceptance book. It's about a little conker tree and how he has to accept all the changes that are happening to him with the change of the season. This is going to be rather delightful. Shall we begin? You can see a lovely picture of him on the front, can't you? Okay. Do any of you do yoga? Do you know some of the poses? Well, the first one says do a tree pose. Tutti was a happy little conker tree who lived with his mummy and daddy and the rest of his family in a big green forest. One sunny morning, when Tutti woke up and took a huge yawn, he almost fell over in fright. Stretch up, yawn, say hello, sun. Hands together, make cloud shape. As he stretched out his branches, he saw a swirling white cloud coming out of his mouth. Can you see that? I think it was cold for him, wasn't it? It was also very, very cold, and he was shivering so much many of his leaves were falling off. Shiver. Do you shiver when you're cold? Yes, we're coming into winter now, aren't we? Look at the conkers on the tree. Should we turn over and see what's happening next? Pulling up his roots, he scuttled over to his mum. Mum, mum, he sobbed, what's wrong with me? The older tree watched as her son took a deep breath and then breathed out a swirling white cloud. What is it? The little tree asked in wonder. She laughed and gently patted him. Don't worry. Take another deep breath in through your nose and now out through your mouth. Tutti did as he was told, and soon he felt much better. But he still wanted to know what the swirling white cloud was. It's just cold air, his mum told him. Autumn is here. Tutti frowned. What's autumn? He wanted to know. Do a squirrel pose. Autumn is when there is a change in the weather and it starts to get colder. Autumn is when squirrels collect nuts and hedgehogs build nests. How very odd, thought the little tree, but his mum hadn't finished yet. Autumn is when the days get shorter and the moon comes out early. Autumn is when birds fly off to warmer parts of the world and bears prepare dens for a long sleep. Do a moon pose. Do a bear pose. Lots of yoga poses. Tutti, who was listening to his mum's every word, decided he didn't like the sound of autumn at all. Change, he thought, was scary. I don't like this autumn, he huffed, and I will not say hello to her when she gets here. That night it got dark very early, just like his mum had told him it would, so Tutti decided to go to sleep. Do a child pose. Do you know that one? Shiver, put your hands around yourself. The next morning when he woke up, it was even colder than yesterday. Shivering, he stretched out a branch and pulled out his mirror. Stretch up, hold hands in front as if you are holding a mirror. That's when he got a terrible shock. He was no longer green, Tutti. He was now red and yellow, Tutti. Because it's autumn, isn't it? And the colours are changing. In a panic, he rushed over to his mum. Look what's happened to me, he panted. Calm down and take a deep breath, Tutti. His mum instructed him. Run in place, breathe in. Tutti did as he was told, and just like the last time, it helped a lot. It's just autumn, darling, she gently told him. This is going to happen to every tree in the forest. But Tutti was not happy. He didn't like change, and he didn't like his new colours. I don't like this autumn person, whoever she is, he grumbled, and I will not say hello to her when I meet her. Nod your head left and right, hands on your hips, grumpy face. Very grumpy. Pretend to sleep. The next morning, when Tutti woke up and stretched out his long branches, he was shocked to see almost all of his leaves had changed colour. Now they were red, yellow, and even orange. Open eyes, stretch up, wake up. Look left, look right, look behind, twist. He looked around and saw that every tree in his family had changed too, and he had to admit they all looked beautiful. Do a bird pose. Kiss yourself. Just then a little bird flew over and perched on Tutti's highest branch. How pretty you look, it tweeted, giving the branch a little kiss. Suddenly Tutti heard laughter. He looked down and saw lots of children picking up conkers. They looked very happy and excited. Have you collected conkers? There's some games you can play with conkers, aren't there? Maybe changing colour isn't such a bad thing after all, thought Tutti. I think when I do meet Autumn, I will say hello to her. Suddenly, the little tree felt very happy, and he did a little dance to show everybody just how happy he was. I wonder what Autumn would look like if you met her. So when you get this book, you can colour it in to see what you would make of Autumn. Wasn't that delightful? So it included yoga poses together with the changing of the season. Very clever indeed. Yoga can help you so much. Why don't you try some? At the back of this book, it tells you how to do the poses. The tree pose, the bear, the squirrel, the moon, the bird, how to breathe in and out and do child pose. At the back of this book, it talks about breathing because yoga has a lot to do with your breath. So what you can do, there's different exercises, and I will read what the author has written. One of them is run on the spot for a few seconds. Stop, place one hand on your heart and hear how fast it is beating. Another one, when you feel angry or upset, your heart is beating as fast as if you were running. So to make yourself feel better and calmer, try this. Use your breath to help you feel better and calmer. You can sit up or lie down. Close your eyes if you want and listen to your breath. You can do this for as long as you want until you feel better. You can place one hand on your nose, another on your tummy or chest, and tummy if you prefer. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. In and out. And place a small object on your tummy and watch your breath to move gently up and down. Count your breaths and with each of them feel calmer. That's a lovely thing to do because we all get upset or tired or anxious or running around too much. So it's nice to take some quiet time in the day and do some breathing. And that's what this author has told us to do. Isn't that a delightful book? So go and tell me what you think and if you've started a little bit of your yoga practice. See you again soon. Bye-bye.